It's a really nice shelf. Took me an hour and a half just to put it together by myself. I got this to clear off my countertop because my cookware is just taking up my counter space, and I live not in a very big apartment, and I just need counter space to prepare food or set things on top of my counters or whatever I need them for. So I purchased this. So far it looks really good put together. If I stand up, I'm about 5'7", and the top of it, this top part right here, I bought this stand for my microwave. This is medium, I think, for my house, but it's perfect and works for me. So this is